In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a bank reconciliation in Xero. To get started, open your Xero dashboard. This is your main workspace, and from here you can access the bank accounts connected to your organization. Once you are on the dashboard, go to Accounting and then select Bank Accounts. This will take you to the area where you can see all of the bank accounts currently set up in Xero. Next, locate the specific bank account you want to reconcile. When you find it, click the button that says Reconcile followed by the number of items waiting to be processed. That number simply tells you how many statement lines still need your attention. When the reconciliation screen opens, it's helpful to understand how Xero lays everything out. The screen is split into two sides. On the left, you will see your actual bank statement lines. These are usually imported through your bank feed and represent the real transactions that cleared your bank account. On the right, you will see the transaction in Xero that should match that bank line, such as an invoice payment, a bill payment, or a receipt already entered into the system. The goal here is to compare both sides and confirm that each bank transaction lines up correctly with what's already recorded in Xero. This is what keeps your books accurate and up to date. To reconcile a transaction, select a statement line on the left, and then choose the appropriate option on the right. One common method is match. Use match when the transaction already exists in Xero, like an invoice or a bill that has already been created. Xero will often suggest a green match automatically when the date and amount are close. If everything looks correct, just click OK or Reconcile to confirm it. Another option is Create. This is useful for transactions that do not relate to an existing invoice, such as bank fees or interest. In that case, enter the contact, choose the correct account code, and add a clear description so the transaction is properly categorized. Then click OK. You can also use Find and Match. This option is especially helpful when one bank transaction relates to multiple invoices or bills, or when you need to search by amount or name to find the right transaction. Once you've selected the correct matches, click Reconcile to finish. As you work through your bank lines, take your time and review the details carefully. Accurate reconciliation helps prevent errors and gives you a reliable picture of your business finances. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.